This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for November 23rd, 2016. Corn market, steady mix today. Beans up 4 cents. Wheat market down 1 to 5, and the bean oil market up 2.37. Meal was lower, so really kind of a mixed bag a day here. When you look to the overall tone in the marketplace, you've got the bean market kind of trading into these new recent highs, exceeding the 1020 level, but look for resistance to set in between 1040 and 1050, depending South American weather. Right now, things are looking pretty good down there. Better planting pace in Argentina is allowing the bean market to rally here a bit, and the reason that is there was a lot of outlook a week ago here that corn and wheat planting could be down as a result of wet weather. Now that we've dried out, we look for that planting to get back on pace, and that will once again tug a few acres away from the soybean complex. Other major focus point is the EPA decision in bean oil. There was some optimism as a result of that, and that drug the markets higher here today. The feeder cattle market up $1, live cattle up about 62.5. The hog market mixed up 45. So really kind of a firmer day nonetheless there in the meat complex. Cash trade in Texas around 112 live. We'll see what that unfolds into as we work into Friday here. But an overall tone here of potential maybe $2 higher in each of these markets, feeder cattle, live cattle, hogs. And then we're into some pretty stiff resistance counts. And I don't look for the market to get much above those levels here in the near term, pending any dynamic changes in the export arena. So we'll watch that closely. Dollar index up 66 to kind of keep a little bit of a negative bias around all these markets. But a good at least finish to Wednesday. We'll see how we finish up this week with a shortened trade on Friday. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results.